Imagine a world where machines predict their own breakdowns before they even happen, saving millions in downtime and repair costs. This is not science fiction. It's the reality of predictive maintenance powered by artificial intelligence. Predictive maintenance using AI is a game changer for industries reliant on machinery and equipment. At its core, it involves the use of AI algorithms to analyze data from various sensors and systems, predicting when a machine might fail and allowing for preemptive maintenance. This process relies heavily on machine learning, a subset of AI, which enables systems to learn from historical data and improve their predictions over time. The fundamental aim is to shift from reactive or scheduled maintenance to a more strategic and efficient approach, where maintenance is performed just in time to prevent failure. Take, for example, the aviation industry, where aircraft reliability is crucial not only for operational efficiency, but also for safety. Airlines generate vast amounts of data from their aircraft systems during every flight. By deploying AI-based predictive maintenance, they can analyze this data in real time to foresee potential issues before they become critical. For instance, sensors on an aircraft engine might detect slight variations in vibration or temperature. AI algorithms can interpret these variations, compare them to historical data, and predict if they indicate an impending failure. As a result, maintenance can be scheduled during a planned downtime rather than causing unexpected delays or, worse, an in-flight emergency. The automotive industry provides another compelling use case for AI and predictive maintenance. Modern vehicles are equipped with numerous sensors that monitor everything from engine performance to tire pressure. Car manufacturers and service providers can use AI to analyze this data, offering predictive insights to car owners. Imagine your car notifying you that a particular component is likely to fail within the next few weeks, allowing you to schedule a convenient service appointment rather than facing a breakdown on your morning commute. This not only improves the user experience, but also extends the life of the vehicle, reducing waste and unnecessary costs. In manufacturing, the benefits of AI and predictive maintenance are equally transformative. Factories often operate with complex machinery that can halt production lines if they fail. By leveraging AI, manufacturers can predict failures and optimize maintenance schedules, therefore reducing downtime and increasing productivity. For instance, a production line equipped with sensors and connected to an AI system can forecast a failure in one of its components based on subtle shifts in operation efficiency or unusual noise patterns. Maintenance teams can then intervene promptly, ensuring that production continues smoothly. The implications of AI-driven predictive maintenance are profound. It represents a shift towards a more proactive and sustainable approach to maintenance. However, it's not without challenges. The reliance on accurate data and the need for robust AI models to process and interpret this data are critical. Misinterpretations or errors in predictions could lead to unnecessary maintenance or, worse, overlooked issues. As AI technology continues to evolve, these systems will become more reliable and more widely adopted across industries. Looking ahead, the future of predictive maintenance promises even greater integration with the Internet of Things, enhancing data collection and connectivity. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they could eventually predict and plan maintenance on multiple levels, integrating seamlessly with supply chain logistics to order parts in advance or schedule the necessary workforce. This not only optimizes operations, but also contributes to a more sustainable and resource-efficient world. The journey has just begun, and the potential is limitless.